Hello everyone, today we're here in Mims, Florida. We're going to do a stucco repair on this gable. This is a typical repair that we see a lot. It's buckling stucco. We're going to set up some scaffolding, knock it loose and see what's going on, why it's coming loose. A lot of times it's poor paint. We're also going to fix a lot of cracks around the home, as you can see, and we're going to paint the whole house. So we're going to set up some scaffolding, knock this big bubble out and see what's going on behind it. Be back in a few minutes. Here's one of the cracks. Stair step crack where the block is. Pretty easy fix. Here's some more cracking. And this is on the east side. Most of the repairs are usually on the sunny side of the house. The gable with the big buckle was on the west wall, which gets the most heat and the most cooling. But this east wall is pretty bad too. No buckles though, as you can see. Pretty good shape. Other than some cracks, that's easy to fix, minimal. Good coat of paint will help a lot on this house. I'll show you what it's going to look like after it's painted. Alrighty, so we got our scaffolding set up, busting into the wall. Looks like the issue with this house is the stucco is way too thin. Looks like it's probably 1/4 of an inch thick. Coat is 7/8. Plus, the paint is really bad. So once you get a crack, water gets in behind it. Starts rusting out the lab that you see here, it's wire labs, and then the stucco buckles off the wall. So here fixing it, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, we got it all busted out, the big bubble. The wood's all fine behind it, and now this is one of two ways of doing this. A lot of times we'll just take the whole gable off and redo it. Sometimes we just do repair what needs to be done, depending on what the homeowner wants to do, what their budget is. This one we're just knocking off what needs to be taken off. We'll patch it up, paint it, and they should be good. Alright everybody, we got it all patched up. Looks pretty good. Texture matches pretty close. Hard to get it exact. Nobody can get it exact. Let it sit a couple days. We'll put some hot stucco primer on it from Sherwin-Williams, and then we'll paint the house. We'll show you what it looks like after it's painted. See y'all later. Alright everybody, we're all done. Hooking up the truck, trailer. We got the stucco patched. Looks pretty good. And we got the whole house painted. I'll walk you around. And this is the east side that had all the cracking on it. You can see all the cracking issues are gone. It's painted. House looks great. Show you the front here. And this is a west wall that we had to do the stucco repair on. You can see the big buckle's gone. Texture looks pretty good. You're always going to be able to see it unless you redo the whole wall. And painted. Looks good. See y'all in the next one.